Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial content on how to download a TikTok application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To download TikTok app on your iPhone, first make sure you're connected to your strong internet. Once you are, tap Open your App Store from your app drawer. Right after you do that, go to the search button in the bottom right corner and tap it on. In the search box at the top of the screen, where it says Games, Apps, Stories, and more, go ahead and type in TikTok. Make your search, and you'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. Tap on the app to view further information about the application. To download the app, tap on the download button and your download will begin. Wait for a few moments until the app gets downloaded on your iPhone. The download process will take a while depending upon your internet speed, so always be sure to be connected to a strong internet so that you can download any kind of an application easier and faster. Once the application gets downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Tap it on in order to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to download the TikTok application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.